Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Chrysler 300 with a dead battery. First, remove the key fob cover to access the mechanical key and slide it out. Next, locate the small slot on the driver door handle and insert the key into the lock cylinder. Turn the key gently to unlock the door, being careful not to force it and damage the mechanism. Locate the fob release tab at the base of your key fob and press it to slide out the mechanical key. Pull the key straight out and inspect the blade for dirt or damage that could catch in the lock. Keep the mechanical key on a dedicated ring so you can grab it quickly during an emergency without digging through other keys or items. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated anywhere, especially when you're bent over a car trying to get things done. It's leak-proof and easy to carry. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Locate the tiny cover on the driver door handle and carefully pry it open to reveal the lock cylinder. Insert the mechanical key and turn slowly until you feel the tumblers move and the door unlocks. If the lock feels stiff, apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant, then work the key back and forth gently until it releases, avoiding sudden force that could bend the key or damage the cylinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.